Hey, so it's just going to be a short one today. I've been using this method recently to help me get better at drawing clothes and also coloring as well. I haven't been able to draw in the past 2 weeks, so I've just been using this as well to kind of get back into it. So pretty much what you're going to see in the video is that I'm just getting dynamic references and I'm just trying to draw clothes over them. So it's a bit more interesting to me. It keeps me more engaged because I'm not just drawing stiff clothes. I'm trying to draw them over something dynamic. So yeah, I'm just like mainly focusing on, the shading and the folds and things like that. And I do kind of want it to look interesting. I didn't use a reference for the first two, which is kind of a stupid idea, but I would say out of these three, I really like the first and third one. I'm not really a big fan of the second one. It just does not look right to me. I'm just going to continue to do this, take more time with it, and hopefully I'll get better at it. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a good day.